Good evening, all. You are welcome to today's tutorials from Eternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at physics. And we'll start with our assignments. A review of our assignments. Assignment on units and measurements. Is Jukoya come out? Come out, so for assignment review. How many questions are there? 10 questions. I come out. Come and start from number 1. I will read number 1. Let's hear.
Which of the following is not a fundamental SI unit?
Are there options?
Yes.
Alright, oh yeah. A is what? A is what? Uh-huh.
G,
Ampere, okay.
C, Kelvin.
Kelvin, okay. D is what?
Radian.
Radian. What's the answer? Radian. Meter is fundamental. True or false? Which is for length, right? Ampere is fundamental. Ampere is for what? Current. Electric current. Kelvin is it fundamental? What is it for? Temperature. Okay. Radian is for angle, right? Right? Do you agree with that? Huh? So I think I agree with you. D is the answer. All right, number 2. Jim and Doya. Which of the following is what? Okay. Kilogram. Uh-huh. Meter. Uh-huh. Kelvin. Uh-huh. What's the answer? What's the answer?
Kilogram.
Is what?
The derived unit.
Are you serious? What is a derived unit? What is a derived unit? What is a derived unit?
They are obtained by a simple combination of two.
Close that book. What is a derived unit? Explain. I don't need anything. Just explain what do you think. What do you understand by? Close that book. What is a derived unit? That's what I'm asking. I said I didn't say you should read it from me. I said what is a derived unit? What do you understand by a derived unit?
The combination of two fundamental units.
So, which of these is a derived unit? Must it be 2? So what is the derived unit here? Which of these units you call out now is a derived unit? Why do you say kilogram is a derived unit? Kilogram is a unit for what? Huh? Huh? Kilogram is a unit for what? You don't know? For mass. So is mass derived or fundamental? So why do you say that kilogram is a derived unit? Where did you get that one from? Huh? What is the answer to this question, please? Kelvin. What is the answer to this question? Huh? Newton. Good. Newton is unit for what? Weight or force. So Newton is gotten from where? Mass and what? Gravity. Okay. Acceleration. Simple. Whether it's a uniform acceleration or acceleration due to gravity, whether it's a acceleration on a straight line or acceleration due to gravity, is still what? Acceleration. So it's from mass times what? Acceleration. So I'll go by what? Newton. All right. The next question. Which of the following is what? I call them. Huh? Newton. Okay. I. You know what? Okay. Okay. Watts. Okay. Sorry. Watts. See what? Joule. Okay. D what? Seconds. So what's the answer? Seconds. Seconds is the unit for what? Time. Okay. Newton is unit for what? Wait, what inko? What? What are you saying? What is the unit for what? Huh? You don't know. What's the unit for what? Power. Joule is the unit for what? Work or energy. Okay, next question, please. No, not you. Chiwendo. Please, louder, please.
The international metric system of units for physical measurement are.
The what?
International agreed system of units for physical measurements are. Pound.
What?
Pound. Feet.
Feet.
Second. Gram. And green option. Gram. Meter.
Seconds. Okay. C. Kilogram. Meter. Seconds. Cm. Gram. Seconds. What's the answer? C is what? Okay. Why do you choose C?
Because kilogram, meter, and second is a physical measurement. You can see.
That is not the reason. That is not the reason. All these things you are seeing here, they are units of what? Pound is units for what? When you hear pound, what are you measuring? I'm asking you. What are you measuring? You are supposed to know this thing. So what are you measuring when you hear pound? Feet inko. Seconds inko. Feet inko. Huh? Is what? The what? The ground. How? How? Zoo. Feet. What do you measure? When you say feet, what do you measure? Or height or distance. That's something. Other height, length, simply length. Okay? Is what? Length. Pounds unko? Pound unko? Pound is weight. Pound is weight. Pound measures weight. Feet measures length. Or here. Okay. For physics sake, simply say mass, okay? Pound is what? Mass. Feet is what? Length. Second is what? Time. Gram unko? Gram unko? Chinwendu? Gram is a unit for what? Huh? Huh? Mass, thank you. Meter unko? Distance or length. Thank you. This is what? Seconds. Seconds is still what? Time. Kilogram unko? Huh? Mass. Meter unko? Length. Seconds unko? Good. This is centimeter. What is it for? Length. Gram is for what? Mass. Second is what? Now, if you look at these options now, all of them talk about mass. If you watch, all of them talk about what? Mass. Length and what? And what? Time. All of them. There are different units for what? Mass, length and what? Time. But not all of them is what is the SI units. There is a particular one we call what? SI unit. The one that they agree that this is what they use for this particular what? Quantity. So something like weight or mass, the SI unit for mass is what? Kilogram. You got it, but you don't know the reason why you got it. The SI unit for mass is what? Kilogram. The SI unit for length is what? Meter. That's the SI unit. Even though these things are units, they are different units of what? Length. But the SI unit is what? Meter. Am I communicating? The same way seconds, we have milliseconds, we have centiseconds, we have different seconds. But the one that is the SI unit is what? Seconds itself. Am I communicating? So the agreed SI unit for this quantity are what? Kilogram, meter, and what? Seconds. Is it clear? Is it clear? Next question, please. The correct what? Is what? A? A is what? Kilogram per what? Per meter, how? Come on, write what you wrote. Okay, so call the question again. Okay, correct unit of energy is what? Go to the board and solve it for us. David, which one is the answer? Huh? Huh? You don't know. Which one is the answer? Go and show us how you got it. Show us how you got it. Take. Explain what you did on the board. I can't hear you. Speak out.
Look for image. First time distance.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then for that one and the second we got N and T raised to our minus 2.
Mm-hmm.
Then distance is length.
Mm-hmm.
Then for mass is kilogram, which is this.
How do you get MLT square? ML per T square. How do you get it?
Like that one that we solved that.
Do it on the board now. Did what you did to get that ML per T square. Keep that in your carrying. That keep it. Show me how you got this. That's what I ask you.
Like that one that we solved.
Stop telling me that thing. I say solve it on the board. Let me see what you did. Do it on the board. Let me see. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. How then did you get this answer? Where did you get this answer from?
That one that we solved that.
Which one we solved? I don't understand what you're saying. I gave an assignment. I expect you to come here to solve the assignment on the board. That's why I called you. Not telling me that one we did. That one we did doesn't make sense now. Close that in your opening. I gave assignment. You solve it. Or did you just look at the answer we got and see it and tick? Is that what you did? Then solve it now. Tell me what you solved. Simple. Explain what you did. How did you get that ML per T square? That's what I'm asking. How do you get it? That marker is not right. Take another marker for them and be fast. We don't have time to waste. Be fast. This is what we have discussed in this class several occasions. So you should be able to do it and do it well. See that? You come out. For 2 days now, you've not gone to rest. For 2 days. What happened? That what happened? You traveled to where? And do what in the village? Okay. Read the question again so she can solve. Number what is that? Clean up. Use this thing to clean up. Yes. Number what? Hope you copied that. You copied the assignment, right? So we are not in class when we did our last physics lecture here. Check your last physics assignment. That means you didn't do it now. When last did you come to lesson here? We are not here last week Monday. I asked him, we were not here last week Monday. So does it mean you didn't copy the assignment? Wasn't it last week Monday we did this? Which date is that? Actually, when you know you do not write dates, students. You 27 what? To 7th August, and today is 11. No. Did you write date too? How can you be writing something without the dates? Even me, your lecturer, teacher, writes date on the board. How can you write something on? How can you come to a class you don't write the date? What type of class is that one? Huh? When did we write out the topics, the exam, the timetable, the new timetable on the board? What date was that? Huh? On Monday. Well, was on that day we did physics. Did you write down that timetable? But you were there, here, that day. Huh? No, that thing was written at the end of the lectures. Anyway, call the question for her. The correct what? What are the options? Okay. The correct unit of energy is what from this option? Is energy a vector or a scalar quantity? Anyway, we'll see do it, but use the distance instead of displacement. Okay? Take another marker there. Continue. Can you see the board? All right. So explain what you did.
Our formula for finding image is force times distance. Our formula for finding force is mass times acceleration because it's a derived quantity. For distance, that formula because it's a mental quantity. So the formula for acceleration is velocity over time. Our formula for velocity is constant over time. So this
You said distance doesn't have what?
formula, this is not available.
But it has a unit now. Did you tell the unit of the distance? Remember, it has a unit. Even though yes, it's an formula, but what is formula? What is the unit of distance? What is unit of the distance? SI unit of the distance. It's length now. So what is the unit of length? Write it now. It should be included in your calculation. Just put the symbol, it's okay. The symbol is okay. Continue.
So formula for velocity displacement over time. And mass, the SI unit of mass is kg. Then acceleration, most of this time appear 2 times. So unit of time is seconds. So now the second response is 2. And this meter, this displacement is on this one.
Is it clear? Is it clear? Huh? Okay, shift this. Bring it closer to the place. Start afresh.
So you should find let's say unit of energy, and the formula is force and distance. And formula for force is mass times acceleration. But distance don't have formula, that's unit. And the unit is meter. So the formula for acceleration is velocity over time, and the formula for velocity is displacement over time. So to get the unit of mass, the SI unit of mass is kilogram. This time here, the SI unit of mass is kilogram.
So if the distance appear to us, what should be here actually? What that this time under displacement is, should it be single time or it's equal to good. Continue.
So this time appears formula for mass is kg. Then this displacement, this distance, unit is meter. So meter raised to power 2. And this time that appears to power raised to power -2. Unit is s, seconds raised to power.
Is it clear? Is it clear? Good. That's the answer. All right, next question. So the answer is what? Which option? D. Thank you. All right, next question. Read, Chiwendu, louder, please. Louder. Speak out.
The physical quantity that has the same dimension as m plus energy.
As what?
M plus
In what?
m plus
Where is that marker? The physical quantity that has what?
that has the same dimension as impulse is
Impulse. Impulse. Is what?
energy.
A is what?
Energy.
Energy. B is what?
Momentum.
Momentum. C is what?
Surface tension.
Surface what?
Tension.
Tension. D is what?
Pressure.
Pressure. The physical quantities that have the same what? Unit as what? Impulse is A, energy, B, momentum, C, surface tension, D, pressure. Izuku. What's the answer? What's the answer? Chiwendu. No idea. That means you not do this assignment. How can I give you assignment for over 1 week? You not do the assignment. Does it make sense? Have you seen why I normally insist if I give assignment to today, the next day we'll do it here? Because I know that most of you will go and relax. You will not do it. That's why I like if I give assignment today, the following day we must review it. Because I know you will not do it. You pack a book and go and keep. Does it make sense? We are here to learn. Then after class, you go and pack a book and keep. Then what the purpose of coming for tutorials? It makes no sense. I don't teach like that. I'm not in a group of people that teach like that. No. My students must be up and doing. How can I give assignment if you not do it? You come here, carry a book again and come back here. For me to do what? From today onwards, if I give assignment and anybody that fails to do the assignment, I will send the person out of my class. Are you with me? From today onwards, if I give assignment, you don't do it. Don't bother coming to class that day because I will send you out. And if you don't come to class, I'll call your parent and tell them that you not come to class. Then you explain to them why you didn't come. From there onward, if I give assignments, you don't do it, you will not come to class. If you come, but once you stand here and start, I will know whether you did the assignment. If you did the assignment, I will know that you did it. Even if you are doing it and you make a mistake, I will know. But if you don't do it, I'll send you out. And as you are going back, I'll call your parent, tell them that you didn't come to class today. That you should explain to them why you didn't come to class. You. What's the answer? Okay, momentum. Okay, come and tell us why you said that the answer is momentum. Go to the board. Tell us why you chose momentum. Fast. The world has changed. You can access any information you want in the world. Eh? Okay, why did you choose momentum instead? Did you just do guessing? Then tell us why you arrived at momentum. It's not true. You can't say you can't pick an option. Then you cannot explain. That doesn't make sense. Or did you go online and look at jam pass and pick it? Then tell us why you said it's momentum. And before you will know what that is momentum, you must first of all know what is impulse. If you don't know what is impulse, then that means you're wasting time. Two of us. So let's start from impulse. What is impulse? Is what? Collision. Mathematically, what is impulse? Mathematically, what is impulse? Is impulse a derived quantity or a fundamental quantity? Good. So, what is the formula for impulse? You don't know. So how did you not get momentum when you don't know the formula for impulse? Izu. Because of what? You did what? Come here. Come. Thank you. Give a marker. Oh yeah. Go and sit down. Oh yeah. Mathematically, what is impulse? I'm surprised how you didn't copy this. I'm confused here. How come it's not in your notes? I don't understand why. That means you'll be missing this class. You'll be missing my class all this while now. Because this thing this assignment was given in this class. It's not in class, it was given. So how come? So why is the assignment not in your notes? Where did you copy the assignment? I dictated the assignment here. So why up to 10 questions you didn't copy it? How come? So none of you checked out what is impulse in the first place. I am disappointed though. To be sincere, I am disappointed. I am disappointed. Seriously. I am not encouraged. I am not encouraged. Even though we have not done it, but it's a popular term in physics. You could just get any physics book and look at it and know what it is. Then how do you now study? Then what do you now do? How do you now use your time as a student? Leave big thing. Focus on the assignment I gave first. Leave big thing. If you really want to leave it. Focus on the assignment I give you. Build yourself. Read based on the assignment you are giving first. If you constantly read based on any assignment I give you here, you look at the topic, go through the topic. Before what's going on, under 1 month you cover a lot of what topics. You won't even know that you covered those topics. Yeah? So what is impulse? Nobody knows. What is momentum? You say momentum here. So what's momentum? Huh? What is momentum? What is momentum? Children, what is momentum? Hey, Diego. As you said, the answer is what? Momentum. I agree with you. I agree with you. Is what? Momentum. I agree. I taught people unit here. I can remember vividly. I taught people the first day when we are doing derive quantity and unit. I mentioned momentum. Open your notes. Huh? So what's going on? Even the momentum I talked about here, you still don't know it. Does it make sense? Eh? I don't know how you use your time. You need to upgrade on a more serious note. Now, what is impulse? Impulse is nothing but what? Force times what? Time. Impulse is what? Force times what? Time. Impulse is what? Force times what? Time. So if impulse is force times time, now go to the board and tell me check whether it is whether it is really the same, whether it has the same unit with momentum. I have defined momentum. You know the formula for momentum, and I've told you that impulse is force times time. So someone should go to the board now and show me whether it is actually it has the same unit with momentum or not. So someone should go there fast. Chin, why you go there? Take. Keep that thing. Keep that thing you're carrying up and down. Have confidence in yourself. Go there. So this time there, what did you do to this time? You focus only on force. Did you throw that time away? What are you doing? Huh? You see what I'm doing now? You just wrote as the what is that as doing there? Second is what? Second is what? Huh? Second is what? They clean. T is what? So what are you doing? Go and sit down. Come, go to this board. Go to this board. Continue from where she stopped. Why 3? Why minus 3? Huh? Look at them. Are they? What you used to show to minus 3? Check that thing well. Clean everything there and clean everything. I'll give you a formula. I said impulse is what? Force times time. Momentum is what? Mass time velocity. Check if they have the same unit. That's the question. Clean everything there. And check if they have the same units or not. Take another marker. That thing is not writing well again. See marker here. So what is the unit of impulse now? How? Explain how you got kilogram meter per second. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 So what happened to this time here? Imeyantufu. Didn't we do law of indices here? Can you even remember about that? Didn't we do law of indices here? Huh? Did we not do law of indices? So what happened to that second there? Pichaya, we don't see. Didn't it? You don't see also. This is no longer the issue of whether you know impulse. I've told you what impulse is. I've told you, say, I don't know what is impulse. I've told you what is impulse. Even though you are supposed to do the research yourself. That's why it's called assignment. Now you are here and I'm doing assignment, I told you to go home and do. It's annoying. Now I've given you the assignment and the formula now. To now derive it now is your problem now. And we did love in this class. We did how to derive the quantity in this class. What is going on here? I'm confused. Oh yeah, start afresh. Continue. We are waiting. We are not rushing to anywhere. Are we? Good. I can't be teaching every topic in this physics. Whether simple topic I taught, you don't even know it. Does it make sense? When I now enter pure physics, now what am I going to do? Oh, you will disappear. This is simple SS1 physics we are discussing here. Simple mathematics. Huh? What you want to do? Want to go again? I go to the board and do it. Explain what you did. From what you did now, is impulse and momentum, do they have the same unit? Then explain what you did. Let's hear you. Mm-hmm.
And force is mass times acceleration.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, acceleration is velocity over time.
Mm-hmm.
Velocity is distance over time. And distance is length. So this mass times time.
Mass times time.
Yes.
Mass times time. How?
As in this mass and this time.
Mm-hmm.
But length. This is raised power 2.
You say mass times what?
Time.
Uh-huh.
Then length. L C raised power 2.
80 raised to what?
2.
Coordinate yourself. Organize your point. Well, what are you scattered? Can you get mass times time? Raised to what? Coordinate us.
Mass
What is this you don't here? What are you writing here? How come L is here? What are you writing? Huh? How come L is on the denominator? How come? What are you even doing, sir? Clean that thing. Do it well. Change the marker if you're not writing again. Where do you get MLT from? Which time? Which time are you pointing? MLT. I said MLT.
Okay, fine.
T square uncle. So what happened next?
So, did I write that?
I follow what she's doing. And I follow what she's doing.
Then, did I write down Then, C divided by C to give it to minus 1.
Okay. Okay.
Then, for momentum, mass times velocity. Velocity is distance over time.
Displacement, please. It has it has a direction. So that length there has a direction. So it should be displacement. Please use the correct. Velocity is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity, not a scalar quantity. So that thing should be displacement, not time, not distance. Is it clear? Is it clear? Don't know what is a vector quantity? What is a vector quantity? How's what?
Direction.
Is distance a vector quantity? Distance is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a scalar quantity. So if you are defining velocity, it should be what? Displacement over time. Is when you're defining speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. That's when you say distance over time. Is it clear? So continue,
Then, formula for momentum is mass times velocity. And velocity is displacement over time. And this displacement is length. So mass, which is this, then length over t raised to power minus 1.
Is it clear? Is it clear? So momentum and impulse, they have the same what? They have the same what? Units. So have you now seen the importance of these things are derived quantities? Have you now seen how we have been deriving this unit by ourselves here? They are derived quantity and their units are also what? Derived what? Units. All together. They are derived quantity and their units are also what? Derived what? Units. So actually import energy different. Energy is what? Joule. Force times what? Distance. If you check it, it will not give you the same thing with what? Momentum. Because it will make the meter to be what? Square. True or false? Good. So surface tension, all those pressure, force over what? So force over what? Area. So, but let's not waste our time. The impulse has the same unit with what? With momentum. So the answer is what? The answer is what? Momentum. B, right? Good. All right, next question. Question number what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, read you.
The dimension.
Dimension of what? Come out here. Let's see, marker. The dimension of what? I think you read louder, please. Give us something. Let her read the question. I like her voice is loud. Give her, or come here. Come on, please now and read loud so I can capture your voice. Read the question. Yes. Number 7.
The dimensions L raised to power
M what?
L raised to power minus 2.
Is it minus 2?
L raised to power 2.
Uh-huh.
Raised to power 2 represents
Okay. A is what? Option B is what? Option C is what? Work. D is what? Pressure. I am okay. Ms. Zoya, answer the question. What's the answer? Huh? Work. Tell us how you got to work. If you can hear me, whenever you are called out to do assignment, to review assignment on the board, if you don't know what to do again, don't waste our time there. Just accept that you don't know what to do again. Then come out. So we save time. That's how to do it. Okay? Alright. I think he needs help. Yeah, Chima, go there. Chima, why are you fast? Stand by the side. I'll be watching what she's doing. Are you done? So what's the answer? Huh? What's the answer? Walk. So how did you get to walk?
Work is first times distance.
Uh-huh.
Force is mass times acceleration.
Mm-hmm.
Then acceleration is velocity over time.
Mm-hmm.
Velocity is displacement over time.
Mm-hmm.
So distance is length.
Mm-hmm.
That's when displacement is length. So length is 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
And time is 2 times. So it's m raised to 2.
Time is what? Time is what? 2 times. So how come? Why did you make it t square? Huh? Is it work? Work is what?
First time.
No, from this thing here, work is what now?
Mass, length, time.
What is the dimension of work now? Look at it. From this thing you wrote now, what is the dimension of work now? Huh? From where you are now, what is now the dimension of work?
here.
Do you think this thing you wrote now is the dimension of work? Clean that thing. Tell me the dimension of work. So what is the dimension of work now? Huh?
M is equal to
Uh-huh.
0 to power minus 2.
Is it something? Continue until you get check all the options. I told people how to answer question. Check all the options, derive all the options, get their dimension, then you take the one that will give you that one you wrote. Simple. Is it not? You pick one and you tell me that is the one. Check all the options first, then get their dimensions before you can know the one that will give you that thing on above. Have you checked all of them? Okay, so let's start from, okay, we are done with work. From what you did, is it work? Good. Next one is what?
Momentum.
Momentum. Is it momentum? So what do you get to momentum? Let's see. Explain. Explain what you did in momentum. Explain.
Momentum is mass times velocity.
Mm-hmm.
And velocity is displacement over time.
Mm-hmm.
And displacement is length.
Mm-hmm.
So mass is this one. And length.
Mass is what? Assume this one. What is this one? Say it.
Mass.
Mass is what? Say it. What is this one?
Mass.
Is what?
M. Then length is L. Time is 0 to a minus 1.
How? How is time 3 to minus 1? Tell us. You should be able to explain what you did. So explain why it is 3 to minus 1. Tell us why it's 3 to minus 1. Speak now, there's no time. How is this 3 to minus 1?
And there are a lot of indices. For example, they give you something like x minus a is equals to
S minus A.
No, I'm just saying an example.
Is that in you wrote? Is it S minus A?
Minus
You
x
said
raised to power minus a is equals to 1 over x a.
I agree with you.
So it's the same thing that happens.
Okay. So now that you got it, is that the answer?
No.
So next one is what?
Pressure.
So what is pressure? Can you see the board?
Force over area. And force is mass times acceleration. Acceleration is velocity over time. Velocity is displacement over time. And area is length times width. And this width is also length. So it's now L raised power 2. Length times length.
I agree.
So mass is L. Length is L. 0 raised power minus
Minus what?
2 over L square. That is this.
Okay.
Because this one is just for mass. Then the area. So it's now M L raised power minus, because this L and Q, this L divided by L raised power 2 is L raised power minus 1.
Okay.
T raised power.
I agree. Is that the answer?
No.
Is this something with this one?
No.
And next one is what?
Power.
Okay, check power.
Not power.
Hmm?
Power. Power is work done over time. And work done is force times distance. And force is mass times acceleration. Acceleration is velocity over time. Velocity is displacement over time. And displacement is length. So mass, which is L raised to power 2. Length.
What? Is that what?
There is 2 lengths now.
Where?
Look at length in this distance. Look at in here.
I agree.
Then 0 raised to power minus 2
Okay.
over time. This time
Okay.
is now equal to MO L raised to power 2. This
Okay.
0 raised to power minus 1 divided by 1.
Okay.
0 raised to power minus 1. So it's not the answer.
How do you get 3 from minus 1?
C raised to power minus 2 divided by T.
Who taught you that one in indices? Or I do it again. Check it. Check what you say now. Check whether it's true. Using law of indices. Check whether it's true. That 3 power minus 2 divided by t is 3 power minus 1. Who taught you that one?
0 power 1 is T.
Check it now. Let's see. You are telling me that 3 power minus 2 divided by 3 power 1 is 3 power minus 1. Is that what you're telling me? So what is it? If you use one law of listen, what will happen to that power?
It will come down.
Do it now. You're wasting our time here. Do it now. Let me see. Has it come down?
Yes, that's come down.
It has come down. How? Can you see the board? Chinwendo. Use law of indices to give me the answer to that question. Clean this thing you are wasting our mark on the board. Clean it. Use the other one. That is not name word. Use law of indices to answer this question. T raised power minus t divided by t will give you what? What happened to the powers? That's the question. Stop this right to come down. If you are dividing the same number with different powers, what happened to the power? I mean the same number with different powers, and you are dividing two of them. What happened to the powers? Law of indices. Hey, are you serious? If you are telling me that I'm wasting my time here, that's and it's annoying. That's what they're telling me. That Oga, you are wasting your time. We are, in fact, we are not serious. What did the law of indices say if you are dividing? You subtract. You are annoying me, seriously. You are really annoying me. Then do it here. Apply it here now. No time. Apply it. Let me see. Oh God. It's jam. It's jam. We are preparing jam next year, and you are doing this. You are doing on the board. If it's not what you have treated, I understand. We have treated this. What are you doing? And you say you understood it. Then what are you doing on the board here? If you say you didn't understand it, I'll say okay, I'll treat it again. But what are you doing on the board here? Let me repeat myself. T raised power minus 2 divided by t is what? T window. What will happen to the powers? The powers will multiply. Is that what I taught you? So how do you get minus 3? You add. Or you could Is that what I taught you? That you add the powers? What did I teach you about that? So even if you add minus 2 plus 1, it will give you minus 3. Please, who can help her, please? Who? Please go and sit down. Please. See. Please go and read. As in go and study. It's pissing me off. Go and study. Stop wasting your time. Study. So what will happen? Be explaining us so I will know what you are doing.
The law of division says that if you do something like this, you subtract it.
You subtract what?
The numerator and denominator.
How?
By law of division.
How?
And for example, you say the entry is from the
shift. Is this what I taught you? Then what are you doing here, sis? Wasting our time. Continue. Did you understand what she did here? Okay, continue.
It's now the current power 2. 0 is power minus 2 minus t. Now there's 1 here. So it's now 0 is power. So it's now the n raised power 2.
That you are doing is not true. You should be clean that second T you wrote there. That is not true. You cannot go like that. Just take only one T here, continue. Shift. This is what she did. Continue. Is what? Then write it down. Is that is you have we derived from what you do on the board now? You have derived the what is it called? The what? The dimension for what? Momentum. As what? Dimension for momentum is what? From what to derive is what? You should talk now. M-L is for what? Good. Then, and it's not the answer, right? Then what of power? Power is what? Power is what? Is that the answer? Is that the answer? What do you get? Okay. Is it power we're doing now? And we got what? Minus 3, right? ml square t power t cube, right? Is not the answer, right? So we did for work, right? So what do you get in work? For work? Minus 2. What of pressure? Say it now, say it. Are you sure there's no error in this question? The question you copied, is it the same thing you copied? You copied the question? No, something is wrong. Sorry. Let me check up the. Let me be sure that the question is correct. There's an error in this question. Please, that thing on top is minus 2, please. Correct it, please. That is ml squared per t squared. Okay? Let me confirm from another past question. This is jam. Okay. It's not even jam question. Okay. So that means what? ml squared per what? Good. That's correct. So from this now, from this correction now, the answer is what? The answer is what? Huh? Walk. Good. The answer is walk. Next question. Take this and clean the board. Children, come out and read the next question for us.
Which of the following quantities has the same unit as
As
what?
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 Wait. Be fast. I know this is taking our time, but seriously, if we treat the topic here, you cannot answer question. You are preparing for WAEC, you are preparing for JAM, and they will treat the question here. You don't even know the reason why you are putting your answer. Then what are we doing? It's better to teach one topic. You know it very well than come here to rap physics. After rapping physics, when you know not no. I won't accept that. Then tomorrow they'll ask you say that I was one that taught you. No, it can never happen. If one topic you teach, you do it well. That if you see question there, you can answer. Even if you are sleeping, they wake you up. You can answer it. That's my method. I'll train you well so that you be able to do what? Answer the question anytime you see it. Not standing here and be talking. You keep copying notes. After copying notes, you go, you won't even know anything. You don't copy. No. It doesn't happen here. It can never happen to me, and it will not happen in your own set. I won't allow it. So now, call the next question. Start from the beginning. Ask, okay, take marker. Izuchukwu. Take marker. Oh yeah, call the question.
Which of the following quantities has the same unit as what? Yeah, cost times time. B, force times distance.
B, force times distance. And C is what?
Force times acceleration.
So C, force times acceleration. D is what?
Force times velocity.
Force times what? Velocity. The question says which of the following has the same what? The same what? The same quantity. What are you saying?
Has the same unit.
As what? The following, okay. As what? Okay. Did you understand the question? Which of the following has the same unit as what? What, right? Alright. Izoya. Okay, Chinwe helped in the last one. Even though she myself, at a point, she also needed help. But no problem. Okay, continue. We'll do it together. Anywhere you stop, she will come in. As you solve it, be solving it in your notes. Solve your own. Don't keep. What's the answer now? Okay? You don't know it. Eh? I won't accept it too. You better start to do something on the board. Which textbook deals in physics? New school. I don't understand this, seriously. What's going on? Anyway, let me keep quiet for now. Solve, let's see. Someone is on the board solving something. Use that period to start solving it on your own and see what you can make out of it. There's no other way to learn apart from this. Is what are you doing? I don't understand what you're doing on the board. What exactly are you doing? Izuku, you have not even answered any question throughout today. What's going on? Did you not do this assignment? You did what? And got what? Huh? You say what? You didn't do it. Let me understand what you're saying. You say what? You didn't see the number. Why didn't you do it? Why? Why didn't you do it? Huh? What is your reason for not doing it, Chiku? You don't want to do it. So what is this is assignment I gave you to go home and do. And I've taught this in class. Ask question, did you understand it? You said yes. I gave you assignment to do. You went home, you didn't do it, you come back here with empty book. Okay, do I clap for you for not doing it? So why didn't you do it? What's the reason for not doing it? No reason. Huh? Come see, yeah. Go to the board. You go and sit down. Cover down that marker. You say what? You are not. Chimoya. Go and do it for us. This time we are wasting on this question is a sign that people didn't do this assignment. You may not want you may not want to accept it, but it's a fact that you didn't do this assignment. You don't know what to solve again. You go and sit down. Oh yeah. Go and sit down. This is supposed to be assignments. I have taught you people this topic. I have taught this topic. I have stressed myself teaching you this topic, and I ask you if you understood it. You say you understood it. I give you assignment. You people should go home before we enter into another topic. You must go home and do this assignment, and you will come here tomorrow and solve this on the board for me. You must learn this thing by yourself. I won't teach you again. You go home today, solve this particular question by yourself. Solve the rest of this assignment by yourself. Come here. If you come here, each and every one of you must solve it by yourself on this board. If you don't solve it, we'll wait until the day we go back again. The next day you come back until you solve it. I won't take this again. You must go home, go back to this from this number. This number what? How much number what? Good. You solve number 8, solve 9, solve 10 by yourself. Finish it, solve it by yourself. Come back here. Each and every of you must solve it on this board before I can go into another topic or another subject. This is where if you come tomorrow, if you don't finish it, you go home. Next day you come again and continue. I can't be shouting and wasting time. Yeah? At the end, if I give you assignment, you come back here. No, I can't take it. You go home. We'll stop here for today. It's after 6. So you can see, you can go home. It's not good to stay outside late. You go home. Those that are going far, go home. Tomorrow, if you come back here, we'll start from here. You must solve this by yourself. It is a must. I won't solve it for you. You will solve it by yourself. Go home and put your candle. Deny yourself and learn this thing by yourself. I have taught it. Consult any textbook you want to consult. Consult anything you want to consult. But you must solve this question by yourself. 3 of them. Did you hear me? Good. So go home and solve it. Tomorrow you come here, one after the other, and be solving it. If anybody fails to solve it, you continue like that. You go back home. Even if it's by 5 p.m. and you couldn't solve it, I'll dismiss you. You go home and continue learning it. Before you enter another topic, another subject, you must solve this thing by yourself. This is a must. That's the punishment for not doing what I asked to do. Even if let's say you come tomorrow and you solve, one person finish it, and another person will be hanging on the board. I'll dismiss you, go home. I'll leave you here and enter my office and stay. Until you solve it, you call me. We'll come back and continue from where you stopped. We are done for today. See you tomorrow.